Christine's Prompt Shop in a Box is an AI powered creative business designed to help creators and entrepreneurs achieve better results from AI without frustration or a steep learning curve. The shop delivers ready to use, customizable prompt systems that support content creation, visual design, and workflow organization. Each prompt functions as a clear set of instructions for AI, transforming raw ideas into polished professional outputs more efficiently. The focus is on clarity, speed, and creative confidence, allowing users to spend less time guessing and more time building, creating, and selling.